This world was never a day, but how can I call it unfaithful memory? Promise was fulfilled as deeply cruel from its dead, like cleansing rising from an yellow grave, like cleansing rising from an yellow grave. Splinter, tongue of the sky, all dying now, as our fragile rest was only last. I don't get mad, for them we cannot hide. There's nothing there, I don't get mad, for them last breath we cannot hide. There's nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left. There's nothing left. Nothing left. All sorrow has led me here. Then I would cry all of my turn till understand again, till understand. And know there is more than this, and know there's more than you. For their blood breath, we cannot lie. There's nothing there, I don't get mad. For their last breath, we cannot lie. There's nothing left. Спасибо! I want to hear everybody in this room make some noise! Yeah! We have all love, we're content. Truth that sounds right to our ears. We have all love, we're content. Truth that sounds right to our ears. What we saw is that within us to look as on of feelings of others, how they died Ancestors let us down, never to be alone, never to question. Say what you really mean, and your ambition calls you, cause what you deserve is there in vain. You will only hear what you want to be. We have all heard what we wanted to hear. Truth that sounds right to our ears. We speak of fighting to resist this world. But what about the battle within us? We have chosen to live against the crowd. And why are we all facing the same ground? There is no difference between us and them. If we all want free, see truth, listen now. We have all heard what we're wanted to hear. Truth that sounds right to our ears. We have all heard what we wanted. Truth that sounds right to our ears. We have all heard what we wanted to hear. That sounds right to your ears.